Hi families. Today I'm going to show you how to get into the games in the everyday math curriculum that we use through our school district. So if you have your screen open or you'll need to do this on your child's Chromebook because it's already logged in. So you would open to a new web page. You're going to go up, this is called the Waffle. This is also where you can find your Google Classroom and all of your students' different activities. So you'd scroll down. Later on in the school year, if we continue at all with virtual, or if you are a virtual learner, we will be adding in some Brain Pop Junior activities. So you might have to click on that one. But if you go down at the very bottom, it's this button and it says McGraw-Hill. Those are the makers of Everyday Math. You'd click on it. Once this screen loads, you're going to get a pop-up. I have two on mine, and it actually has an image of the Everyday Math book. It automatically logs your child in under their account. Okay, so yours will look slightly different, but you're just going to select the Everyday Mathematics Grade K. And you may or may not have this button come up, but you would just click on it if it comes up. You only have one box. I have two for both classes. And it goes into the lesson. Now, unfortunately, there's not any additional information for the lessons yet. And some of these don't have links for our grade. But if you look, like there won't be tutorials and there won't be the sketch pad. But here, the purple button has the EM Games Online. So this has some of our Everyday Math games. There's also Everyday Math at Home. There's a really cool toolkit and your Everyday Math booklet, but your child won't need those, and those won't even start until Unit 5. So you come over here to the EM Games Online and click it. And this will have, if you want to play with one person or with two people, so you can play with your child. And there are some different games here. Top It is a game that we have already done in class, and there's different variations of it. There's also up here, if you go to Challenge, it goes to the same type of games, but a little bit more challenging. So if your child needs more of a challenge, you can click on that as well. So if your child is on level or still working, Top It is a great game for them to play. There's 3 different levels. You can do the Top It dot cards 0 through 5, the Top It dot cards 0 through 10, or the Top It with the number cards 0 through 5. Now, a game that we just learned how to play today that I'm recording this, December, we learned how to play Number Line Squeeze. Ours was with monsters and on paper, so you would just click that. Click on Monster Squeeze. And it just takes you right through. So it has my name, this will have your child's name, and then you'll have like a guest, which will be you. That is if you're having 2 players. If there's only 1 player, you play the computer. It gives a little description on how to play. And it's quite fun. So this is a great way for your child to practice for a game that's already uploaded on your child's Chromebook. So you each pick out your colors you want to be. And so then you pick what you want your number line to be. 0 through 10, 5 through 15, or 10 to 20. I'm going to pick 10 to 20.
Let's play Monster Squeeze. Try to guess the secret number. Player 2, click a number to guess the secret number.
So the guest would go first. We don't know what the secret number is. Maybe 17.
17. That number is larger than the secret number.
So you would just take turns, and it'll tell you whose turn it is.
11. That number is smaller than the secret number.
Great. And then whenever you're all done, you can X out of here. There's questions. You can pick a new game, and it'll take you back to that main screen. Memory match is great. Roll and record is great. We have not done penny plate. There is spin a number, and we have not done 10 bears on a bus yet. So a few of these we haven't done. Again, you can, if your child is doing really well and great with identifying numbers and counting sets, they can move up into the challenge. There's a number grid game, and then some more challenging number squeeze and penny plate or trick track. So this is an awesome resource that I hope that you use and will be assigned as activities in the Google Classroom here in the future. I hope this helps.